Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to exclude a file or folder from Windows Defender Scan. So if you want to go ahead and run Windows Defender Scan or threat protection on your computer and you wanted to exclude, for example, your game or particular folder, you can go ahead and exclude this so that it does not scan. So let me show you how to do that. Once you're on your computer, go ahead and click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and simple type in virus and you will find virus and threat protection. Once you click on that, you'll be taken over to the Windows security section. And on this page, guys, you will see a virus and threat protection settings. Click on manage settings. And from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down towards the bottom, and here you'll find exclusion. Now you can add or remove exclusion. So if you click on that, you want to go ahead and click on guess when you have the pop-up on your screen, and just go ahead and click on add an exclusion. Here you can add file, folders, a file type, and even a process. So let's say I want to add a folder. I can click on that, and I'm going to choose a folder randomly. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose a folder randomly from download. So let's say I don't want to scan this folder here. I can click on it, then click on open. Then it's going to go ahead and show me, for example, files within it or videos or whatever it is. Let's say this file here, I can go ahead and I can click and open. And so this video that I have within that folder will not be able to scan. And you can do that as well for folders. So if I choose folder, I can randomly choose whatever folder. So let's say I would like to choose this Drew tutorial edit files folder. I can click and select folder and I can add that in as well. And here you can see that they're added. Now the process goes the same way if you want to remove them. So if you want to remove any files or folder, you take the same steps, find it, and just simply click and remove. And that's how you can remove them. And that's how you can easily go ahead and exclude a file or folder from Windows Defender Scan in Windows 11. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.